Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to compare the military power between USA and Israel versus Russia and Iran. So let's begin. Military rank: 1 USA, 14 Israel, 2 Russia, 15 Iran. Total nuclear weapons: 5,600 plus, 6,255 plus. Defense budget: 856 billions, 118.954 billions. Total military: 2.797 millions, 4.750 millions. Active military: 1.498 million, 1.390 million. Reserve military: 2.664 million, 2.350 million. Total army personnel: 1.92 million, 900,000. Total tanks: 6,027, 16,673. Armed vehicle: 403,476, 227,147. Infantry fighting vehicles: 9,215, 21,552. Armed personnel carrier: 17,801, 16,092. MRAP: 12,723 plus, 13,430 plus. Self-propelled artillery: 2,245, 6,788. Field artillery: 1,567, 10,406. Rocket projectors: 844, 3,840. Air Force personnel: 89,319, 207,000. Total aircraft: 13,821, 4,806. Combat aircraft: 2,281, 1,484. Fighters aircraft: 2,095, 995. Multi-role aircraft: 1,491, 306. Attack aircraft: 935, 753. Special mission aircraft: 718, 155. Trainer aircraft: 2,803, 654. Tanker fleet: 620, 26. Bombers: 153, 125. AWACS: 36, 42. Electronic warfare aircraft: 15, 7. Transport aircraft: 669, 539. Total helicopters: 5,883, 1,676. Attack helicopter: 1,048, 572. UAV: 6,000 plus, 7,000 plus. Airports: 13,555, 1,537. Navy personnel: 686,600, 8,000, 170,000. Naval fleet strength: 539, 882. Aircraft carriers: 11, 1. Helicopter carriers: 9, 0. Frigates: 0, 19. Corvettes: 35, 86. Destroyer: 75, 14. Submarine: 69, 84. Petrol and vessels: 50, 143. Mine warfare code: 8, 48. Merchant marine: 1,895, 3,859. Port and terminal 40 11.